Hi everyone. The tutorial of today is about Google Forms. I will start by giving an introduction about this software. So Google Forms is an easy software. It targets HRD professionals who intend to collect data using web-based software in an efficient and effective way. It saves time as you don't have to be all the time physically in a specific place. It is also cost efficient for companies as for individuals, and it helps training programs to be implemented efficiently and make it easy to access to everyone on the tips they suit them. Also, HRD professionals use this software for its benefits as to simply gathering data and stuff. So why I did choose this software? So there are so many other software programs that compete with Google Forms, like SurveyMonkey or KeySurvey, may be as more used as the software program Google Forms I did choose. Google Forms is an easy platform to access and create a virtual place of work, as it enables you to have more options to send this survey through emails or send only the link, and you have so many options about this one. So moreover, Google Forms is free and easy to access and use. You have just to create a Google account and discover how the use of this software is helpful and makes everything organized. Also, these programs make us access our work from any place and from any other laptop. So the use in HRD. So Google Forms make it easy to accomplish some tasks online without having to be in specific place physically. It can be used to develop surveys or to facilitate some assessment tools, and even to send some tests for a specific group of people. Also, it is to share content and get feedback. Creating a form through Google Forms enables you to send it via email or send the link to a group of people, and once someone fills out the form and submits it, it goes directly to spreadsheet. So Google Forms make it easy to create forms and sheets with easy access to manage change or add details to them. You will be able to share them with your employees or students and get message or feedback. There is a direct interaction with everyone in an easy platform. For example, if manager want to know the age frame of his employees, then he can simply create a form and ask the questions you want to answer. So now I will move to how to use Google Forms. So you have to have an account. So as you can see, you can type Google Forms in Google, and then when you can click on Google Forms, and you will have this page. I'm sorry, but there is a problem with internet, so yeah, here it is in few seconds. Yeah, so you can click on create a free form, and then you sign in. Like, I'm using my account here. You enter your password, of course. There are easy steps, so you can just follow them and you will be successful using Google Forms. So here is the page you will have. You can read easily the steps, follow them. You can go through setting or make your questions here, and then you can change the writing format or anything you want. Like, for example, I'm asking for what is your age, and then you scroll down. You click on done if you are done, or then you send it via email or any option you choose. And yeah, you click on send forms, and then you send it either via Google or Facebook or either Twitter. So it's your choice. and you can only use the site for that. Yeah. So now I will go to some do's and don'ts. So as for do's, to create a Google account, create organized sheets, share a form with the concerned people, save to not lose the information, and make your employees or trainees aware of the use of Google Forms. So for don'ts, don't open many tabs at the same time, don't create a form with long questions, instead be straight to the point, don't fill the information in the wrong place, and don't make files private, and don't send many forms in the same email. So now I will talk about the conclusion. So Google Forms and spreadsheets are perfect tools to make it easy for HRD professionals or even HRD or individuals to conduct survey and get the results analyzed automatically. It saves time for HRD to do the work in less time and more efficient.